Police track down iPad thief on airplane using Apple's Find My. What? How do we fuck that up, buddy? What are we doing? Jesus, the video hasn't even started. It hasn't even started.
Airport officers were dispatched in response to a reported iPad theft.
So I had it over here, and somebody just took off with it, I guess.
Okay.
So.
Oh, that's so embarrassing. And then they track you down, and they know that it's with you, and then you're just gonna sit there and probably still lie. They'll still lie.
Somewhere in this area.
Okay.
I mean, it's obviously not with me.
Right.
You can put a thing in, like play the sound.
Yeah.
So like, it goes bing, 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 bing.
Yes.
You hear it, and it's not anywhere around here.
You can't hear it. Okay.
No. So I've looked, I've listened, I mean, it's pretty loud.
All right, yeah, he's trying to ping it, and it's too loud. The fucking speaker's killing me. Something with this video. I'm just in a mood. Just in a mood.
Order, do you know?
Huh?
Did this flight just board, or do you know?
Yeah, I went over there and asked them, and they basically told me.
Oh my god, did they get on the plane with it?
That they can't do anything. So I was like,
okay.
Well,
that would be terrible. It'd be gone.
Sorry, I just grabbed that.
Oh, no problem. Oh, never mind. It says it's here. It says it's 200 feet that way.
Right, come on.
Take this to
No, come on. You're with me, so.
Yeah, why complicate it? Let him do it. Dude, I feel like some officers would be a total piece of shit about that. And they'd be like, oh, no, bro, it's clearance only. You can't go. I'm a cop. I'm glad she was just like, yeah, bro, it's chill. Just come on. Let's go.
So is it having a kind of case on it, or what color?
No, bare naked. I don't know why they take that.
Okay. What's the lock screen look like?
It says Vertical Industries on it. It looks just like that.
Okay. So,
Berkman?
I'm gonna hop on that plane. If you will, go ahead and play that for me.
Dude, that's some dumb shit to steal a fucking, like, an iPad. Like, you're probably not even going to be able to get into it. And then you're probably going to, like, factory, like, lock it. They brick it at a certain point. If you, like, try to log in or something and it's, like, suspicious, it just gets fucking bricked. And then if you don't have the actual login to the email, you're done. Like, why would you even steal an iPad? That's so stupid.
Just keep playing it. You want to take video? I trust you.
Oh, okay.
Just keep it in place now.
But, like, I get another tablet. But another, like, an iPad? Nah.
Yes.
Oh, dude, it's so quiet. My bad.
We're tracking an iPad that belongs to somebody, and it looks like it's back here.
Oh, they found it. Yay.
Okay.
Found it. All right.
Oh, they tried to. Oh, okay, maybe they like freaked out and were like, "No, we can't be stealing it," you know. And they tried to get out early. I don't think that's enough, though. I think you still are gonna get arrested. Oh, there's so many people on that plane. Holy shit!
Yes, ma'am. Do you have an iPad?
Yeah, it's I think it's in Terminal E. It's like where checkpoint is.
Oh no, I'm
What?
looking for one that's on the plane.
Oh, okay.
What?
So you're missing one?
Yeah, I left.
They're like, she's like, "Oh, it's just not on the plane. Get off the plane, and it's probably there. Once we take off, I'll let you know."
On the where security checkpoint is.
Okay, I don't know anything about that one.
Good maneuver. She's got it.
No, faltaba y tú la dejaste.
Is your phone going off?
Oh, is it him?
You got a phone going off?
Oh my god, it's not even her. I thought it was her. I like immediately was blaming her. Oh my god, I'm a terrible person.
No, I think that's something different.
Oh, is it him? He looks nervous as fuck right now.
You got an iPad?
You need an iPad. Oh,
That noise?
that might be his alarm. I think he put it on snooze by accident because it was going off earlier.
Dude, he did it.
Is your alarm going off again? No. That's coming from
Somebody got Spanish. I don't
Oh,
speak
that's
Spanish.
not gonna work, but
Is it in the overhead
That's
fan?
what I'm wondering. Whose bag?
here we go.
Your bag?
Some man?
Yep. I need you to step off. Come with me.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh no, dude, he thought he got away with it. I didn't even look at him. I was not paying attention to him. Hold up, hold up. I want to see. I didn't know until hindsight, bro.
You just do that bing, bing, bing.
He's just sitting down ignoring it. Look at that shit.
No, ¿cuál tabla? ¿Y tú la dejaste?
Is your phone going off?
He's like, oh my God, they're not going to go away. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Yeah, we were right here.
Can I get another? Come on.
You think he actually speaks English? Or he's just trying to play the card?
Yes.
Yeah. The backpack is his. That's.
Okay. Let's go.
Right before you got off,
So
man.
use your phone back. If you hold back there, we're gonna deal with something here.
And that's like just universe shit. Like, you know how long it probably took them to show up? Like, I don't think it was like immediate. Sometimes it's like 4 minutes or 2 minutes or something. Like, the fact that they didn't take off already is amazing. They're all sitting there waiting to go.
Spanish?
Nope.
Oh, Spanish?
We're bringing somebody. We're bringing somebody over. Okay. iPad.
Hey.
What?
It was just sitting there?
Nada, nada de English. On iPad.
Yeah.
En un asiento.
Not yours, right?
No.
No?
Sí, ya. No es mía.
What?
The one in there is yours?
No es mía.
No?
There's no way. You still get arrested. I feel like you still get arrested even if you don't ever. You still deny it. You're like, I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Asiento.
Then why is it in your bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, wait
We're
for
gonna
the
get a
guy.
Spanish speaker over here.
So we're
Yeah.
gonna head upstairs.
¿Y el vuelo lo pierdo?
You're not flying. No. You're
Huh?
coming with us.
Oh,
No.
no bordo.
No.
Oh, es.
Just stop. We're gonna get a Spanish speaker.
For the translation, though, we don't have to do it over the phone.
Just stay right there,
Oh,
okay?
he's at a gate that
Es que nada español. Alguien para explicar.
he's gonna take time out
just-
to get a phone number. where
We
you
have
can
a
make phone
Spanish
call.
speaker coming.
No es mío.
Okay.
All
Now
right, hey, let's just get the. What are we doing? Stop fucking talking to him. You're sitting there saying, "Don't talk to him." You're standing there talking to him.
you're now on speaker. So if you'd like to explain to him, the sound in his bag belonged to the iPad that was not his, and then we'll go from there.
Señor,
Sí, diga.
hey, la policía dice que eso máquina que está en tu bolsa
Sí.
no eres tuyo.
No es mío. No es mío, la encontré. Estaba en el piso. En un asiento, o sea, abandonada.
Dude, do you think they need like a actual like police Spanish speaker so that they can interpret the stuff he's saying? Because we're not going to get anything from this.
Diga que no entendí.
No, esa máquina que tú la...
Appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Face the wall.
Oh,
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh,
Manos here.
Yes.
bro, did he say what was going on?
oh, amigo. Oh,
Put your hands behind back.
fue un error, pero, o sea, no.
Do you want me to come over there?
No, we
No,
have
no.
another officer
Yeah.
that's actually cleared up, and he's able to come over.
All right.
So,
I would explain to him. He's still saying no. He's sorry. He's saying there's no problem.
okay. I appreciate your help.
There's
Thank
no
you very much.
problem. He's saying there's no problem, but he just doesn't know what they're like. Yeah, you're not going to get away from that. You're just playing stupid.
Hold on.
Yeah, thank you.
What gets me is that guy. He didn't know where to go. Like he didn't know what plane to board or whatever. So he asked me for help, and I helped him board the plane. Like I helped, yeah, you're gonna go here when they say this or whatever. Like,
Yeah.
so he understood me then.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew he was just fucking playing the whole time. It was way too much. Like, and then wow.
So anyway, I
That's good to
thought.
know. I appreciate
I
that.
was like, when I saw him, I was like, oh man, that kind of hurts my heart a little bit.
Yeah, that does.
Damn, yeah, man. And he seems like a nice guy too. Like, there's no reason you wouldn't help him. I mean, he looks like a clean dude who takes care of himself, Like, there's no reason you would be like, oh, what a weirdo. But, wow. That was a little anticlimactic, I feel like. Because, I mean, of course she's going to get arrested. And he posted it. This might be the last police release one. I'm a little annoyed. A little annoyed with that. Anyway, I think I'm going to cut it there. And then I'll probably be back on Friday. Probably not tomorrow. Take a break tomorrow. And then, yeah, Friday. So I will see y'all then.